Oh, I should send this picture to you, Lord. Tell me what you think. Oh shit. I ain't got you on WhatsApp, have I? Okay, where you at? Are you in the game?
Yeah, I'm in a game.
I'll join on you now. How the hell do I forward this picture to you? Oh man. Alrighty then. Oh, let me turn this oven off. So my dinner is ready. The only thing I got to do now is just fry some chips. Some fries. Alright, where we at? Where you at?
I got
Transport.
Third target there.
See the plane. Where the fuck
Count
are
is
you?
now 5.
Oh, you right here. Oh, the same one from last night, huh?
Yeah, you know, it's finished.
You got anything over there to take?
Tango 10.
Hey, you kill the alarm yet?
I ain't killed nothing yet.
We got a mounted weapon.
The sniper on top.
I'm looking at a small group of
Oh, it's not a
tangos.
sniper, the gunner. Alarm in the middle.
Alarm over here.
Try and take it out. Got it.
The alarm is disabled.
I'm looking for more alarms. At least
That tango's down.
probably 2 alarms over here.
There are light panels here.
Well, they seem like they only got 1 alarm.
I was looking for them, I missed my shot.
What?
Tango down.
You missed.
Most,
Together.
Dad, am I allowed to game Hitman?
No.
Okay.
You have your system if you want to pull it up with game after your business. Go on. Your live stream. You want to talk. Hey dude, these guys don't understand, man. The more games you have on a system, the more the memory full. Trying to teach my son that, but he's not, you know, every games you see you want. I'm trying to say you got 500 gig. You kill that lieutenant. If Bird was here, Bird would have catch his ass. Oh yeah, say I remember Bird didn't get him last night, did you? Did he? Blow, blow, blow. No, Bird didn't get the lieutenant because we went to get him and...
I have 7 games.
Man, they still got reinforcements. Marcus, Marcus! No. I'm seriously.
hey, reinforcements, they don't know where we live though.
I'm calling the Mozart on their ass.
Call the rebels for some indirect fire.
Rebels are chasing the whole car. Blows up. I think reinforcement is dead. Hey, we got a sniper on top of the tower. Oh, negative, negative. Ooh. Heavy gunner pushing up by us. Oh fuck, I almost killed the fucking civilian.
Tango down.
Come on rebels, kill that dude.
Damn.
What? Oh, sir, I'm out of ammo. I'm like, what the fuck, am I out of ammo already? Heavy gunner, left side. Oh shit. Holy shit.
Hold on.
Shit! Guy right on your right. You got medic, Joan? I thought that guy was going to where the rebels are, man, so I didn't pay attention. Hey, guy on the train track. Train track right on my body, dude. He's coming for you.
You talking for nobody.
You got medic, Joan?
Yeah,
Hook a
but
nigger
I'm
up.
already right here. I'm right here, so it'd be better if I just don't do it this way. Keep my little medic on. We might need it later.
As a recharge
Operation
anyway.
Kingslayer has all the makings of a political mess.
We sure stepped in shit this time.
I'm going over.
It's when the bureaucrats start asking us to bend morals and laws that I start to worry.
The politicians do it all the time. That's because politicians already have somebody ready-made to take the fall.
You mean us, don't you? You mean this time it's us?
Throwing out a drone here.
We got a fire team
Close
moving into
to this
position.
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Sending our intel on enemy positions. Copy that. A fire team will be right there.
Holy shit. That guy on my right.
Kill confirmed.
Shit.
Eyes of a small group of tangos.
Oh, God, I'm bleeding!
Oh, don't
dead?
blame me. My fault.
Yeah, I'm dead.
My fault.
Yeah, it is.
I think I can't even hear more than that.
Oh shit! I could not see that guy. Ooh, guess what I got, Lord?
What?
Some cookie. I'm down, send a drone. Lord, send a drone out.
I'm sending it.
They should have made this game so the rebels could revive you, man. This is shit.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us.
What the fuck is shooting at? A helicopter or some shit? Shit, Unidad. He's gone.
Frag out. Get some.
Second target, right there.
He's not dead.
Frag out.
One less bad guy.
Mierda, culeros. Lobbing a flashbang.
Oh shit. Fuck. Medic. I got that minigun up the top.
What took you so long?
Thank you. Still not clear yet. Guy on you. Rebel fucked him up.
I'm looking at a small group of tangos. I asked the rebels to do a recon. Hey, sniper on the roof. Tango
Holy
number
shit.
3.
Thought we had less. Fucking reloading. Got your ass.
Bitch. Ain't no hide.
Got a guy on the right still. Sniper. Top of the tower. You didn't see shit, bitch. He shot his round, his head is popped. Guys by the plane.
I got a gun case too.
Get that gun case.
Throwing a flashbang. Hey, throwing a flashbang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Right before that. Alright. Yeah.
You fly, and I'll follow behind you in another plane.
Alright.
I'm driving.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
Move, Rebel.
Fucking hell!
I hate flying. Airplane. Okay.
Maybe some sites, so keep it at a certain altitude. Either you go high or low. There may be some.
I'm staying low.
Got base on our right, coming up.
One only. El Chido and los Probazos en esa will perform live in Umamarca for one night only.
Put that back outside.
And opening for Santa Blanca's Man in Black.
Okay, you're gonna go and rotate left. The rear land run strip is to your left, so you're gonna go hard right, then hard left. Keep it at a certain altitude. Runway is right there. Perfect touchdown.
Shit balls.
I'm waiting for you right here. That's it, boy. Level off, level off, level off, and lift up. Yep, keep her steady. Hold your brake. Touchdown.
One night only, El Chido will be performing
Nice
live
shit.
at
Go down to the green marker.
This exclusive bus. El Chido will be performing all the hits just for Santa Blanca employees and their guests. Keep an eye on the plagas.
Like everything's in one piece. Let's go. Tell the rebels where to come get their new
Where's
toys.
parachute out? I'm gonna get some ammo first.
Yeah, I need some too. There should be a helicopter down here. And some flashbang ammo.
I'm gonna supply leader.
I'm gonna need flashbangs for you. Where's the ammo?
Ain't no ammo.
Shit.
We just gotta do it the old fashioned one.
I've got 2 flashbangs left, I think. Right here, I guess. Oh, this is the one we remember trying to get last night and the fucking guy ran away. Right here. Not too close.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us.
Oh shit, big LMG at the back. He's coming out. Grab him. Flash him, flash him.
Tossing a flashbang.
Throwing a flashbang.
Go get him. Bring him
What the
outside.
fuck? You got me.
Oh, God, I'm bleeding!
Fucking hell!
Tango
I
down.
went down inside. It's one still left.
Damn.
I got you and I flash bang him. Get him. Bring him outside. Bring him outside. Let that guy come and get this shit. Fucking grenade.
Frag out.
Huh.
I want you to
Got
spread
him.
the word. There's some new Sicarios in town, and any man who
Oh, the
stands
ammo
for
here.
Santa Blanca should count himself among the dead. Tell your friends they won't see us coming until it's too damn late.
Okay, está claro pues. I will. I will.
Fucking thug. It's lucky I didn't put
Oh
bullet
shit,
in.
ammo's
Shit,
outside.
that would have been a mercy. Now everybody knows he's a punk. The rebels are gonna make his life hell.
I wasn't outside, I was on the other side of the wall. Got a helo here.
You far.
I've got a captain here and take him. Okay, go captain, I'm gonna go for his ass. I'm going for him. Yeah, you can smart me up, but you can't do shit, nigga. You wanted him?
Nah.
Oh shit, we got convoy.
Ain't no- I'm taking off.
He's about to. Convoy stopped. Fuck, I missed. Shot dead.
I got the convoy.
That's a lot of gas. I'll let the rebels know where their new mobile fuel dump is.
I got an ammo case and
Go low.
helicopter.
There's a Unidad base, is sniper in the tower. Oh shit, I remember this
Eyes on
one.
a small group of tangos.
There's a lot of
I asked
motherfuckers.
the rebels to do a recon of the second target, marking an enemy.
Drone is up.
I'm gonna go around and try to do where I can get that sniper.
Leave those guys on the helicopter for last. Try and leave them for last.
Yeah.
Big LMG over
Tango
there.
down.
Can you see the LMG guy?
Yeah, I see him. Drop him.
I'm gonna have to flashbang these guys right here.
Hold on before you flashbang come moving in close.
Need to kill that one that is marked. He's just moving around. He's splitting up a bit. Move up a little bit closer.
Then when you're ready, I got the flashbang ready.
Hey, kill that strangler first. That strangler. That is marked. Can you kill him? Kill him. He's gonna find the dead body. Kill him. Kill him. Fuck.
Hold on.
He's alerted.
Kill
Nice.
confirmed.
Okay. You ready?
Hold on.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Throwing a
flash.
Flashbang's going in.
All dead. Got everybody. Oh shit, Lord, nice work. All right, there's gonna be a fucking get your weapon. There's gonna be a freaking. Okay, there's gonna be a SAM sites. There's a base near to go into this. Okay, there is. There's SAM sites there, so we need to probably fly around on the left. One of that passing by. Get ready, be quick or hide. Have to take off in a minute, get in.
I'm alright.
They're gonna see me, have to lift off. Are you coming?
I'm coming.
Be quick, dude. They're coming. Run your ass off. They're passing by right now.
Lift up.
Oh, that shit. There's a base on the other side of the mountain. They got SAM, so I tried to avoid it by flying this way. Yeah, I check a friend just now and tell me you got some cookies, whatever. I'm like, dude, I heard about that shit, but I never had it before. So I just had some cookie, I never had it yet. I've not even rolled the joint out of it yet, dude. If we take the other way, Lord, or across from where we'd be dodging fucking SAM sites and shit. Whoa, steady boy, steady, don't fuck it up.
Nice job. I'll ping the chopper's location
back in.
to the rebels so they can take ownership.
Alright, which way you wanna go now? The mole.
Not to mention, it's 2 skill points right there. 3 skill points right there.
Where?
Around.
On the mission.
Yeah. You get me close, and I throw a drone out, and you take off and go somewhere and sit off.
Keep an eye out. The general's daughter should be around.
Oh, this mission. Okay, we have to follow the general. We have to tail his ass to the meeting, I think. The sniper is all over this goddamn place, too. Holy shit. Damn, little piece of fucking tree right there, man.
The drone is up.
We have to follow this guy.
Got another tango. I asked the rebel.
Diga. You have something
There's
good
a
this
vehicle
time?
right at the front gate. We could take it and follow him in it. There's a sniper above you, though.
Yankee spies in la unidad? How many? Listo, listo.
Left side of that tower.
$10,000. No, I
Looks
can't
like
meet
that
there.
one that just
Meet
died.
me at the shack in the
Yes,
mountains.
sir. There's a car right here. We could take. No, don't go to the base. We have to follow this guy.
He's gonna lead us to the sun.
Yeah,
There's a car right here.
Let's keep this clean and by the
You want to drive?
You can drive.
Shit, get in. They're spotting on us.
Hell, if they're playing on our team, I'm not gonna complain when we gotta go save them. True. We find the
Get in.
that captain. Kill the cartel
Shit.
informer he meets with.
Drive off. Drive. Yeah, I'd right here. Off the train track though. Mine train come and kill us. Okay, we have to follow that guy. Wait for it. He's going in a car. He walks slow though. You know the trailer person, right?
Keep the drone on him.
That's the sniper I was talking about. Yeah, I think I killed the other one. Yeah, he's in the car. He's going for the car now. Oh, let me get a piece of this chicken.
Baby.
Oh, shit's hot. Hmm? He's driving now. Follow him. But keep your distance at the same time. Have you done stakeouts before?
Nah.
Just keep your distance at least 200 meters. How are you getting on? Are you on the dirt track yet? Yeah, we're almost there now.
Got another tango. Spotted one with submachine guns. That makes 5. I got eyes on the Santa Blanca informer. Let's take him out.
Okay, kill everybody you can kill. Should that you kill them all. Grenade launcher. I got him.
beautiful working for de Oro. With General Barro turning against the cartel and our own assets protected, shit is gonna get tough for corrupted officers inside Unidad.
And for the son.
Half-ass dude job.
Oh yeah. With
Huh?
Barrow and his military contacts on our
You don't
side,
half-ass
you can
dude
Holy
job.
shit!
Unidad patrols to get a
Fucking
lot more
reinforcements.
lenient with cartel members.
Way to build tension.
Exactly. And give our rebel friends more room to operate.
They will be moving onto rougher terrain. I'll be in touch. Nomad out. Tango down, tango down. The cartel informer is dead. Our Knox and La Unidad are safe.
Ya llegaron estos güeyes y el apoyo. Andan en donde vimos que estaban los enemigos.
Fuck, they come out of the car.
¿Qué chingados esperan? A partir de la madre con todo. Vamos a enseñarles quién manda. ¡Disparen!
Bitch. They're coming up for me. ×2. Fuck, 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 fuck. Oh, they don't see me, they're coming for you, Lord.
Tango down.
Nice shit. Is there something for you to get here?
No, I was just getting some ammo.
Oh. There's an ask because I know there's normally something in a shack like this. I was here with Bird last night and he couldn't find nothing either, but I just asked him too.
I'm taking the bike.
Oh shit, General Barrow. How far is this one? Just around the corner. I'm going on the bike.
I'm not sure Bowman understands who we are, asking us to use an innocent woman as leverage.
She's one of those handlers who thinks we just do wet work.
To be clear, we are not harming this woman unless she tries to kill one of us.
Roger that.
Hey Lord.
Yeah.
Like, hey Lord. I'll just see if you can make this turn on the track that was on. Okay, she normally be in this house over here. Here she
There
is.
she is. Keep in mind she's our only lead. We need her.
Get in these,
Don't wanna
bitch.
help?
Like I said, she's our only lead.
You freak her out, Lord. She saw me and she was calm and cool, and she saw you coming, she started to panic. Interrogate her, where you going?
I am an interrogator. We put her in the trunk. We put her in the trunk. We taking her somewhere. We kidnapping, damn it.
She just around the corner of the mission.
You wanna drive?
Hang on, I'll drive.
This is a
We'll
message
go
from
down here
the
somewhere
Federal
by these
Forces
boats out.
of Bolivia.
There ain't nobody around.
To all of the Unidad
We got
soldiers
nice
who may be
area.
listening, stop fighting for those foreigners who
Solid
are
copy.
harming our lands and join the rebel forces. Follow the example of General Barro in Flor de Oro, who has turned his gun.
That's good enough right here. There's a...
Spill the beans, baby girl. Take her away from her house and she gotta find her way back home.
Benedita, buen dia. We're looking for General Barro.
Lo siento. Mire, I cannot help you.
You can and you will. We know the General's your father. We only want to meet him.
¿Qué? Why should I believe you?
Because you don't have a choice. You think the cartel sicarios are bad?
What?
We're the people they have nightmares about.
Papa?
Some gringos have found me.
Americanos. I am not hurt. They say they only want to meet.
I love the accent. Americans.
No, I do not trust him. He says you are malos, peligrosos, but he has given me a location.
What does Malios Pegrosos mean? Oh, she got to walk her ass back home, huh? Bitch. Alright, let's get in the car.
We're taking the car going off road.
Oh shit, dude, we're gonna need a helo for this mission right here, man. Cause we got to basically extract his ass. And there's gonna be a lot of fucking unit that gonna turn up to protect his ass. So there's a gun helo for him. So what you could do, you could flash bang him when you reach there. Grab him and just bring him right to the helo. Maybe a bit of a challenge, but holy shit, the base right here, dude. Fuck. Be quick. Jump in the passenger seat.
I got it. I'll fly.
I'm switching guns, man. Bring out a light machine gun.
Oh shit, let this convoy pass. I ain't got time. I'll just blow the helo of this guy.
We got a chopper.
Fuck him up. No fly zone.
This is the RP. Keep your eyes open. I don't trust the big man.
Okay, I'm gonna go right over his fucking head. He just grab his fucker, right?
It's the general.
Oh, look, coming here. He's gonna come in and turn up. Go. Quick. Where you at? He's trying to escape in the truck right here. Holy shit, my bad. My fucking bad. My bad. We do it again. My bad, Lord. I didn't realize that he gave up. I did not realize. Yeah, he did. He bent down. He stopped right by the truck. He was going to go in, but he saw us and he just dipped down and covering. And I blew the fucking truck up and he killed him. Shit.
Don't destroy nothing.
I won't, man. My bad, man. I thought motherfucker jump in and trying to knock it over so it jump out, but didn't realize it was covering. When I fired the rocket, I realized then.
Come on, you're firing rockets, man.
Hell yeah. Motherfucker got a load of fucking army, man. He's a general for all the unit that fuck him up. Alright, let's call it helo.
Let's call it helo. I'm going to get him.
He was ahead of us. Hope it
reliable as hell.
Okay, he's flicking around
Not
like
a guy
a
you invited for
motherfucker.
dinner with the family. Guess he's had it rougher than most.
You can go to the back. You see the right side of the fucking ranch right there?
Somebody faked his dog.
The house?
Shot,
okay, I got the helo ready right here. Just grab him and bring that motherfucker around here.
I got a skill point anyway.
We can't come back for it. Let's do the mission first.
Keep at it after all that shit happens.
Be quick, he's running. Oh lord, totally be quick.
Decades walking side by side with death. That's tough. Sometimes. Think about the bad things we do for the good of our country. Travel overseas.
Hold on.
Okay, got him, he jumped out. Get him in the helo if we can. Be quick. Right behind you, I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you.
Come on, come forward.
I'm right behind you.
Come forward.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey, holy shit. I got shot down, man. We dead. I'm dead as fuck. Put him in a truck and drive away if you can. Hide in the bush with his ass. They're coming for you. I tried my best in spawning on you. Just keep a hold of him. Hold his ass. Call a Elo in if you can, and oh shit, guy coming in for you. I was gonna say call a Elo in if you can, and put him in it and go. The guy's behind you. Yeah, oh shit. Get that truck. Get that truck. That truck is behind you. The guy on your guy. There's a guy coming up to you. Put him in that truck and just jump in it and drive this fucking ass off. And I'll spawn on your extraction. Holy shit, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. I'm trying to spawn in quick before you die. Quick. Rebels help you out right there. Okay, I'll try spawning on you so in case you die. Okay, with the Elos there. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fucking hell. Where you at? You gone?
Down.
I'm in the water.
Come back, please.
I'm on the bridge. I'm on the bridge. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Elo is tearing the shit, but no worry. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hey, don't run me over. Stop. 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 Stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Go. Go. Oh shit! I'm grabbing the fucking guy. Fuck! Don't move. Don't move. Don't you move. Okay. Fucking get in there. Get in there. God damn. Move faster, nigga. Okay. Go. 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 Ripping the shit, isn't it, all of us?
Can you do something about the helicopter?
No, I can't. Not at the moment.
Trying to go off-road.
Sure you want to do that? Keep on the road. Shit. Oh, fuck. Let's keep going. I'll spawn on you up there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I got out, tried to take the Elo, and you run me over.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, man. I'm gonna open this shit up so it's pretty solid up here. You reached?
Yeah, I got you. I'm coming to get you now.
No, stay where you are. Stay where you are. I'm at 5 seconds. Stay where you are. 3, 2, 1. I'll spawn in on you and I'll just extract as well. Stay where you are. Yeah, sometimes that general bar is a pain in the ass when you do that mission. All them motherfuckers just turn up. Damn, I almost chucked my goddamn weed away. Man, 95. Where you at? Am I here? Yeah. Lost patrol. Okay, I'm gonna extract now. Have you extracted already?
Yeah, I already extracted.
Okay, let's do it quick and jump back out.
I was in La Paz trying to speak to the president when you had my daughter call me. I have known for some time that our relationship...
Let me see what my friend says about this. This is the first thing I'm gonna roll out of it, Lord. He said it's a good shit. Let's see how good it is. Oh, guess who was in the party this morning?
Who?
Coburn.
The hell?
Yeah, he apologized and shit, said was going through some phases and all that shit. Alright, ready when you are.
I've got the bike.
Yeehaw! Convoy is right here, isn't it? Going away now. Oh no, it's coming to us. I'm taking a shot at it. Yeah, that's right here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh fuck! You're moving. I hit the fucking rock. Oh, it's coming up this side. It's coming up this side. Got it.
Deploying drone. I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Tango down. Target eliminated.
Oh shit, another guy alive. Got one. Another one.
Gasoline secure. Ready for the rebels to come get it. That's what I call a
Sure, there's another
full-service
guy in the
outfit.
bush. Why are we still on till? I call it Elo.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Elo on your left.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up
Oh,
here.
this is a big base we finna go into, so you got to drop me off and take care of the rest.
Chihuahuas.
In the air.
Holy shit. I knew there's a guy alive. Motherfucker. You're lucky we survived him anyway. Holy shit, there will be probably some sites over here. Shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. We're getting locked up already.
I'm gonna get out and try to get that close. Get close on foot. I can try to deal with the same type.
I wanna see where it is.
But, you know, if I can get to the generator or what. If I can get to that generator, I can kill the sand, right?
Yep. Fuck it, we're letting the rocket off. Oh, I see it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Campsite, look on what?
Whoa! Pick me up, dude. Fucking shit, I got all the heal and it still killed me. Enemies on the road. Be quick, be quick. Shit, they're here. Come on, move, nigga! chasing the shit out of me.
I would just let me take the SAM site out before you even try to do anything.
No hay señales de enemigos por aquí. Continúe la búsqueda. Las tropas hostiles abandonaron esta zona. Todas las unidades salgan del servicio. A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
You're going
I'm
to
gonna call
take
for the
the
rebels for
base.
some reinforcements.
No mortar. Fucking
They got mortar out.
one mortar that sounds like.
Calling for indirect fire.
Some side.
Tango down.
Shit, got guy right behind me.
Shit, mortar.
Got a tango.
Target number 2,
Small
there.
group of tangos.
Sniper.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for it. I got a target carrying submachine guns. Sniper, top of the tower.
Elo over and around.
I asked Pakatari to send us a vehicle.
Okay, we got our own helo. You have to take you over there?
Nah, I'm here. Oh shit.
Oh, my blade gonna hit this tree, man. What the fuck, they put the helo right here?
Target number 10, there.
Hey, Lord, on you.
Yeah, I know they on. They're trying to blow me up.
Got one. Got two. Hey, Lord, getting the helo, drop it right over there, man. I'm taking a lot of sniper fire. Be quick. God damn. Oh, these snipers are fucking me up.
Hey, listen, I get to them. Don't worry about that. You just gonna try to.
Man, come in the helo and I'll drop you straight over there, man. Got loads of guys coming up on you, man.
I'm working on the snipers now.
I got helos passing by.
Not to mention, I got a whole bunch of them following me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Getting the helo, I drop you over there, but not listening. I'm trying to kill as many as I can down there. Our stars are going up, dude. That's where I'm running from. Our stars are going up. Taking a lot of fucking fire. I have to jump out this helo quickly. Get in, man. Get your ass in. The whole sniper is fucking us up.
Go. Get us up.
Okay, I'm going over there. You get ready to jump and go get your shit. Okay. Get out.
I'm out.
Get your shit. You're gonna die, but fuck it. Getting a lot of fire. I gotta get out of this shit. Sniper fucking me up.
Oh, shit.
You dead?
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay, is there a truck by you? Is there a truck? Anything else over here for you to get, dude? Check your map. Probably have intels to get and shit.
Oh, God,
I'm trying to get away if I can keep from getting hit.
I'll pick you up.
I'm going after this attack helo. I'm going after this attack helo over here.
Have you got anything else on your mission, like intel or anything here? You sure?
No. I'm sure.
There's a guy above you.
Enemy killed.
Shit. I got too many snipers shooting at me.
Oh no. I'm scared to get outside. I can't locate a fucking vehicle on my map.
ask the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Oh yeah, they put a chopper right in front of me. Thank God for that shit. Where you at, Lord? You out there yet?
No, not yet. I'm getting to it. I'm going up.
I've got to lift off.
Take off, just take off.
See some light panels over here.
There are a lot of motherfuckers down there. Look at them, look at them. Christmas. Yeah, fuck your some side, so. Sniper still sniping at me. Come on, man. Die, bitch. That's it. Got those guys shooting at you. Where you at?
I'm trying to make it to that tech kilo over there.
I didn't uncover fire for you, this guy right here. Oh, got it. Holy shit, dude, Elo's on my ass now. Holy shit. I'm gone. We need to bug out of here, dude. A lot of reinforcement coming. I'm going.
Go ahead, just go.
I'm getting altitude. Hope this Elo don't see me. Yeah, I lost him. I think.
Oh shit, I do got some shit over here.
Told you, you don't listen. I know I play this game, I know there's basically there's things, intel and all that shit. You better get it. We ain't coming back to this big base.
I didn't see it.
I told you.
On my map.
I asked you, are you sure?
That's why I've been really running around trying to get to this fucking hill.
Brings us to 10. Spotted one with submachine guns.
No, I've not even seen that, Jenny. Have you got it?
Moving up to get it now.
I'm coming down to support fire again. We got 20 guys outside the base. 20 fucking guys. Look at them.
Sniper up in the tower.
There's loads of guys beneath me, Lord. All outside the base.
Trust me, I see.
You got it?
Yeah, I got one of them.
How many you got to get in there? 2?
I don't know.
Open him up.
Yeah, get out of here.
Elo. Sniper dead in that tower. Oh, dude, you got a fucking Apache.
That's what I'm trying to get to, Apache.
Get what you need to get first, man, and let's move. Have you got it yet?
Yeah, I got it.
Holy shit, attack helicopter shooting at me. Here's fucking Apache. Holy shit! Motherfucker think he's slick. I missed him, man. Okay, get your Elo and get out of here. I'm bugging out. Put up your next marker. We're going.
I'm trying to get the fuck out of here.
I got Elo chasing me. Motherfucker. Come let me kill you. Is that Sam's? Chase that bitch. Alright, let's go, dude. I'm up high.
Just go. I'm gonna give me this, I'm out of here. I want me a helo, damn it.
I'll come get you.
Spotted one with submachine guns.
Don't worry about it.
There's a lot of guys outside the base, dude.
Ooh, and I got Apache too.
Let's go.
It's 15 hombres.
There's a lot of stuff I can mark right here, right now, but I ain't got time. Fuck up out of here. Oh, you got all the attention over there.
Yes, sir. Everybody's over this side. The 20 fucking umbrellas. That's what the guy said. Come on, let's go. Let's go. The whole squad just pulled up in a truck. What are you doing down there, Lord? Ooh, let's go. I'm getting a lot of fucking stars here, man. What's it going next? Where are we going next?
Right now, we just trying to get out of here. I got to keep up.
Let's go. No, Bird should be done. He's gonna be pissed when you know you got to go in that big base to go get that. He can't be like, oh, I ain't going to fuck that. Alright, next marker, buddy. I'll get me some juice quickly.
Hold on. Time up here too.
Take your time, I'll get me some juice.
You're high.
Oh. Okay. Alright, we're going. Chemical trail. It is that fucking
But I got the, you got a little bitty one. You got the big one. I got the bitty one.
yeah, Apache. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Spotted one with some machine guns.
Yeah, fuck out you guys up. Relocate you motherfucker. Oh shit. Sniper. He didn't die, bitch. Come on, send him through the hole. Through the hole. Right there. Holy shit. Still haven't got the sniper. Sniper in the tower. Oh, who knew that? Holy shit. They got sniper than everybody down there. I take the shit out of me.
Hey, you come get my helicopter.
Oh shit, move!
Oh shit.
Dude, I shot that. I shot that and you pull over right in front of it.
Then I go down.
Holy shit, you dead?
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming, I'm gonna ditch this bitch.
You know how much work I did to get that helicopter? Just for you to shoot me down?
I'm gonna die, I'm gonna come quickly as I can.
Thank you.
There's an attack helicopter on top of me. Holy shit, guy right here. Holy shit, you better pick me up, dude. You better pick me up. Take cover though. Send a drone. Send a drone. That's why I get the medic drone, man. It's right by my body. Where the fuck is he gonna fuck him up? Quick. Come on. Fuck, I missed this tail. The guy's coming back. The guy coming back. Holy shit. Where's that Evo? Shit. Guy! Oh shit, a lady, you lucky lady. I'm gonna kill your ass just now. I thought you were an enemy guy. I'm gonna take that helo out. Nice shit. He landed on top of the roof too.
Target is down.
Lobbing a flashbang.
Shit.
Throwing a flashbang. Lobbing a flashbang.
Kill confirmed.
No, fuck you up. Like a pig, motherfucker. How are we looking down there where you are?
I'm clear, I don't see no...
The house you're looking for? The sniper in the tower still. Butcher house is over to the road over here. Come by me. Behind you.
Yeah, I see, but I see a
Looks like the boss's
point.
house. Let's go check it out.
Okay, get your punch. I'll get this thing meantime. This butcher house ain't got no doorways, nothing, no doors. What the fuck is this shit?
Got a location here for a chemical institute run by the cartel. Looks like the Buchon himself is responsible for training the students. Let's check it out.
All right,
Got it.
I'll drive.
.1 clicks. Oh, let me get this Jeep. Move, man. Shit, I'm running a fucking pipeline.
You can drive.
Uh-huh. The Jeep is slow as fuck, but an enemy is driving it, it's just moving. Where you going? Oh, we got a either. Holy shit. You hooked it up already? What are you doing now?
No. I wasn't even trying to hack that. Come on. I just want the helicopter.
Shit, go, 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 go. You better go to the other one meantime. Go to the other one. Where is it? You found it?
Bowman, excellent work in Libertad. Stopping Jensen has halted training in the province, and losing the supply of precursor chemicals from VB gas has crippled production. This will cost the cartel millions in lost product every day, which is going to hit them where it hurts.
Copy that. Thanks for the good word. We're displacing to the next AO now.
Where are you coming in?
That mission was still up. Jammer. Did you get the thing already though? Okay, I see. Alarm going off. Taquilo inbound. He ain't seeing shit, nigga.
The rebels to do a recon of the area.
Hold on, let me check my phone. Hold on. What? Check with my phone. Okay.
We found a stock of precursor chemicals. Let's hit it.
Oh shit, there's some in here too. Shit, man! Fuck, this guy shot me and I was behind this damn container.
Me too. I gotta take me something to eat, man. Golly. Go ahead with the mission. I ain't gonna leave the game or party.
Alright. Oh shit, it's after 3 o'clock now. God damn. I make my dinner now.
Drone is airborne. Can't see squat. Drone's being jammed. I asked the rebels to recon the area for us. Target spotted. The Jenny's over here.
I'm not destroying that Jen. Jammer.
Shut the damn alarm off. The power's down. Got another tango. I got a target carrying submachine guns. I got another. That's 5. I've got some light panels here. Sniper out there. rebels for a diversion. I called the rebels for reinforcements.
Shit. Fucking hell, damn, man.
Called for rebels to draw their attention.
Come on, I can't jump this goddamn fence. I'm gonna jump in this one and I can't jump that. That's bullshit. See? Crap. Rubbish. Fine, cover.
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Oh shit. Oh fuck, where you came from? Sniper, sniper.
I asked the rebels to recon the area for us. Almost primed. Precursor stocks with slow cocaine production in Libertad to a crawl.
Balls.
DJ Perico, hollering at you over the airwaves. It's kind of a bad day here in Bolivia for Santa Blanca compas. El Cerebro.
Oh shit.
No way that plane's
Fucking
getting off the
crap.
ground. Break contact. There's nothing more we can do here.
Ah, where we at? You back?